Good morning, Bearded Ford Tech here, coming back at you with another 2023 Superduty 6.7 illuminated malfunction indicator lamp, your check engine light, with various Knox system DTCs built on or before May 2nd, 2023. This is a special service message 51750, and we're going to take a look into this and see what's going on. All right, here we have it. Some 23 Super Duty vehicles equipped with a 6.7 engine and built on or before May 2nd, 2023 may exhibit an illuminated malfunction indicator lamp, a MIL, with diagnostic trouble codes DTCs U029D, U029E, U02A1, U02A3, P2209, P24D0, P22A7, and or P23 Bravo 5. This may be due to a wire chafe on harness 14406 near connector C146, touching the exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) cooler on the right side of the engine. Before performing normal diagnostics, inspect the 20 amp fuse. Inspect 20 amp fuse F18 position 26. If the fuse F18 is open, inspect the 406 harness for contact with the EGR cooler and repairs necessary. Refer to wiring diagram cell 005 for repair procedures. If no damage is found, refer to the workshop manual 30308A for normal diagnostics. So let's go ahead and take a look at that wiring diagram cell, okay? Cell 005, page 1, it's just connector repair procedures. Ain't nothing major. It's just telling us how we're supposed to repair them, repair the wires. So it said workshop manual 303 something. Workshop 303. What was it? 30308. Workshop 30308. Oh, diagnosis and testing. Go to EGR. Ouch. I don't remember all those codes, but it's going to have us let's do this. Was that one of the codes? 2427? Vehicle operating D-rate mode. Let's go back and look and see what one of those codes were. See if we can find it. 2209. We'll look at 2209. There's a bunch of 24s. Or we can just do this. See if it's over here. DTCs. 2209. It's just going back to that. Anyway, without a VIN number, it's kind of hard to tell. We can go to fuse boxes and then look at a wiring diagram for that, but then we're just trying to narrow it down. Basically just looking for a chafed wire that's on the side of the EGR cooler. And you're looking to see if 20 amp fuse 18, position 26 is blown. I might be able to show you that right quick. Yep, right there. Fuse 18, position 26, diesel engine. NOx 1, NOx 2, NOx 3, particulate matter bank 1. Go back up here and go back a page. Go back another page. Oh, that's the back side. And we're looking for fuse 18. Right there. You're going to be looking at that fuse right there to see if it's blown. So that's all the diagram I got on it right now. But if you're getting that code, it's probably best if you just take it to the dealer and have them do all the testing for it, because it'll be under warranty and it won't cost you a thing to get it fixed. As always, I love you guys and I'll see you on the next one.